Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hakka people believe that winter melons have medicinal qualities, including reducing swelling. It's a crop that can be produced all year long, and winter melon can be made into a delicious tea. Winter melon can also be preserved by peeling and removing the seeds. It is then cut into pieces and put into a jar with fermented beans and salt before adding a sprinkle of rice wine.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo.
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine. We're again talking all about ingredients found in the Hakka cuisine. 再一次呢，要麻烦 Leo 老師呢，再來跟我們聊聊到底有哪些客家美食的食材可以介紹給我，還有各位聽眾們。
好，今天要跟大家介紹的就是冬瓜。冬瓜
就是冬瓜嘛，
对呀，
冬瓜冬瓜我喜歡冬瓜茶，I like that. The 冬瓜，the winter melon tea is really, really soothing and refreshing. 真的很解渴，降火。
对呀。
那除了我知道的冬瓜茶之外，那你们还会怎么样用冬瓜呢？
有啊，冬瓜因为生产很多的时候呢，我们就把它卤沟变成鹹冬瓜。
鹹冬瓜就是咸的，是不是？
对，咸的，我们就国语叫酱冬瓜。
酱冬瓜、咸冬瓜，听起来不太一样哎。酱冬瓜这样子是要怎么用呢？
很好用啊。
OK，
做的煮排骨啦，做的蒸鱼啊，全部都可以。
蒸鱼又是什么？
蒸鱼就是蒸鱼。蒸鱼的时候把那个酱冬瓜、咸冬瓜放一点进去。
Okay, so again, this is like the marinated winter melon, and I've always known the winter melon as a drink, but the Hakka actually use it in other dishes, such as cooking spare rib soup, 也就是排骨汤也会放酱冬瓜。
对啊，
酱冬瓜排骨汤怎么说？
鹹冬瓜排骨湯。
鹹冬瓜排骨湯。Okay, again, the spare rib soup with winter melon, and then also 蒸魚嘛，對不對？
鹹冬瓜蒸魚。
鹹冬瓜蒸魚，就是 fish that's steamed fish with winter melon, marinated winter melon.
对。不过在这个料理的时候要特别注意，就是鹹冬瓜，顾名思义就是冬鹹，很咸，所以要少放一点盐。
Okay. Since the marinated winter melon is already very salty in taste, so when you cook it with other things, make sure you don't put that much salt anymore. You don't need it anymore. Anyways, that does it for another ingredient in the Hakka cuisine. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
我们大家
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.